What if I told you that every river has a dream? A dream of being perfectly balanced, not too steep, not too flat, but just right. A state where it has just enough energy to flow, without eroding its bed or dropping its sediment. This dream has a name. It's called becoming a graded river. Today, we're uncovering one of geography's most elegant ideas. We'll learn how wild, youthful rivers calm down into gentle giants and discover the invisible floor that every river is trying to reach. Think of a young river in the mountains. It's all adrenaline, steep, fast and chaotic. It's constantly tearing down its bed, carving deep valleys. This is an ungraded stream. It's like a teenager, full of unruly energy. Now, look at this mature river. It's wide, calm and steady. It's reached a balance. It carries just enough water and sediment without scouring its bed or letting silt build up. This is a graded river. It's achieved its dream. So how does the wild child become the wise elder? It's a lifelong project of erosion and deposition. The young, ungraded river starts by attacking its own bed. It erodes the steepest parts, filling in the waterfalls and rapids. It's literally smoothing out its own bumps. As it does this, its energy becomes distributed along its entire length. It's not fighting gravity anymore, it's working with it. See how the water is cutting down the high spots and dumping sediment in the low spots. That's the river grading itself. It's a continuous, slow-motion dance that never truly stops, always adjusting to changes in climate or water flow. Watch this machine transform a bumpy road into a smooth path. It cuts down the high spots and fills in the lows. Now imagine this same process, but with water as the grader. Over centuries, a river does exactly this, eroding high points, depositing sediment in lows, creating that same smooth, balanced profile we call a graded river. One takes hours, the other takes millennia, but both achieve the same perfect balance between energy and work done. Every river's journey is governed by one unbreakable rule. It can never flow lower than its base level. This is the absolute lowest point to which a river can erode its valley. For most rivers, this is sea level. We call this the permanent base level. But what about a river that flows into a lake or gets trapped behind a dam? That lake or reservoir acts as a temporary base level. It's a local, artificial floor that controls the river's erosion upstream. But it's temporary because the lake can fill with sediment or the dam can be removed and the river will start eroding again. Let's connect the dots. A river starts its life ungraded, high above its permanent base level. Through centuries of erosion and deposition, it works to smooth its profile into a graded river, perfectly adjusted to carry its load down to that ultimate floor. This beautiful balance is why we can build cities on floodplains and farms along riverbanks, for a while at least. But what happens if the rules suddenly change? What if the land rises or sea level falls? The river, which had achieved its perfect balance, is suddenly thrust back into its youth. Next time, we explore river rejuvenation, when a retired graded river is woken up and forced to carve its path all over again. It's one of nature's most dramatic stories of rebirth. If you're fascinated by how nature finds its balance, smash that like button. To make sure you don't miss the drama of river rejuvenation, subscribe and hit the bell. What river would you love to see us profile? Let us know in the comments.